What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we got this Dodge Charger. This is 2016 model. So I did do a thermostat change. We had a code P0128 thermostat rationally. We also flushed the cooling system. It's very difficult to get this thing to a lot of people has overheating issues. So today I'm taking this car for a test drive. The temperature range on this vehicle should be no more than 220 degrees. So you will see in the gauge that 220 degrees, and if I stop at the red light, the temperature will go up, but it shouldn't go more than 220. Let's say I'm flying on the highway and RPM is high, all that wind is cooling this car off. It probably run down to 210 degrees of temperature, in that range. Okay, so if you have 198, that's something like the Hondas and Toyotas stand at. But anyways, let's take this baby for a drive. So I did let it warm up over here. I topped off, everything is nice and closed. So let's go. The temperature might be down right now, so we're starting off at 158 degrees. So I'm gonna record as we go through. You can scroll through the settings here and vehicle information and get to the temperature, coolant temperature. So I do have my heat on here on low setting here, as you can see right there, but that's just for when I did the coolant flush. So we're gonna hit the highway now. Okay, so let's see where we go at. I'll record as we go, and it's going up. So the needle should never go more than halfway, okay, which is that letter, the one I just covered right now. Now you see it. Now you don't see it. Now you see it. Anyways, let's hit the highway. Okay, I'm still idling here and it has reached 185. Let's go with this baby on the highway. So I'm gonna be turning my camera on and off in between. You guys will see as we fly on the highway. Okay, so I'm gonna shut off my camera here because we're local here, but we had 186 degrees, which is fair enough. So I'm at the red light and 195, it didn't jump too many numbers. So we're gonna go right here. We're gonna fly very soon to red lights from here. We have reached 203, 204. And we still not haven't hit the highway yet. We still local, red lights. So I'm about to stop very soon at a red light. So if your temperature goes up to 210, 12 degrees, I wouldn't be worried about it. And right here we at the red light. We're about to make this left turn. So if my temperature goes up to 210 degrees, I would not be worried about it. But always make sure you have no air in your system. Your system is not overheating. Alright, this guy let us go. It's perfect. So we're on the highway. Almost be on the ramp right now. So temperature, I'm sure, is gonna go down. It's not gonna go up. And if it does go up, I would assume it to stay up to no more than 220. At this point, the fans doesn't even need to kick in because all the airflow, look at that, temperature just dropped to 204. Ooh, yeah, I like that. Love it. You always want to be careful and you don't want to blow the head. These cars, a lot of people have issues that they will overheat. So we got this sharp turn here on the highway. Now we're gonna get some RPMs right here because the road is good for like almost a mile for me to just rip this guy. 206. It's probably gonna drop here from all the wind force. 206. I could take that. 204. Gun the pedal a little bit. Make a U-turn from around here. So we're slowing down. We're gonna be at the red light. We're gonna be at the red light. Let's see how our temperature reacts on this good 2-minute light. What I need to do is I need to go across because the window's open over there and the switch is bad on the driver's side. Okay, there you go. So the temperature is steady. I like that. It's a good operating temperature right there. Oof. It's a long light. You see, I'm still at the red light. 208. Turn to green. It's time for us to go. Time for us to open road, baby. Open road. Let's smash this guy. Pedal to the metal. Almost 3,000 RPMs. It dropped. As soon as that thermostat opens, it drops. That's what I like. Perfect. We're in good hands. I'm gonna have to slow down here because it's a sharp turn. But anyway, guys, now you got to see. Make sure you bleed it. Get the air out of the system. Test drive it. Don't let the temperature go crazy. Anyways, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one.